Best Mont Blanc pen experience with luxury precision. People admire Mont Blanc pens for their craftsmanship and quality. The brand has a rich history in pen making. Each pen is a work of art, combining tradition and innovation. Mont Blanc offers a wide range of styles and materials. List number 1. Black M Mont Blanc. Elevate your writing experience with Mont Blanc ballpoint pen refills in Mystery Black. Crafted for smooth, consistent ink flow. Each refill delivers rich, bold lines that impress. Designed to fit Mont Blanc biros perfectly, enhancing your pen's performance. Enjoy the reliability of medium-tip refills with every use. 2 refills ensure you never run out of ink when you need it most. Advantages. Mystery Black color offers a classic and elegant writing experience. The medium tip ensures smooth and consistent ink flow for all tasks. Mont Blanc refills fit seamlessly with Mont Blanc biros for reliable performance. Durable refills provide long-lasting use, reducing frequent replacements. Quality ink delivers clear and sharp lines every time. List number 2. Blue M Mont Blanc. Experience smooth writing with Mont Blanc fineliner refills in Pacific Blue. Perfect for medium-tip pens. Enjoy vibrant, clear blue ink. Each pack includes 2 refills, ensuring a long-lasting supply. Ideal for Mont Blanc fineliner and rollerball pens. Enhance your writing experience with quality refills. Advantages. Mont Blanc fineliner refills offer a smooth writing experience. The medium tip ensures clear, precise lines every time. Perfect for both fineliners and rollerball pens. Pacific Blue ink stands out beautifully on paper. A vibrant, eye-catching color for all your notes. High-quality construction leads to long-lasting performance. Enjoy consistent writing without frequent replacements. Easy to insert, these refills save time and effort. Simply pop them in and continue writing. Ideal for professionals and students alike. Enhance your writing with Mont Blanc's trusted quality. List number 3. Blanc Canita Esferographica. Mont Blanc's Meisterstuck Platinum Line ballpoint pen embodies elegance and precision. Crafted with a sleek black design, it exudes sophistication. Perfect for professionals, it offers effortless writing with a smooth glide. The platinum accents add a touch of luxury to your daily tasks. Ideal for gifting, it combines style with functionality seamlessly. Advantages. Craftsmanship shines through in this elegant writing instrument. The Mont Blanc Meisterstuck Platinum line boasts timeless design. Its smooth writing experience enhances daily tasks with ease. Durable materials promise long-lasting reliability and style. A sophisticated accessory for any professional setting. List number 4. Blanc Rollerball Refills. Experience smooth writing with Mont Blanc Rollerball Refills. Enjoy consistent ink flow every time. Perfect for daily use. These refills fit a variety of Mont Blanc pens, providing versatility. Crafted for quality, they ensure long-lasting performance. Effortless writing becomes your everyday reality. Advantages. Smooth writing experience enhances your handwriting quality instantly. Reliable ink flow prevents messy smudges and unwanted blotches. Long-lasting refills reduce frequent replacement hassles and costs. Compatible with various Mont Blanc pens for versatile use. Rich, vibrant ink colors make your writing stand out beautifully. List number 5. Black B Mont Blanc. Elevate your writing experience with Mont Blanc Rollerball Legrand refills in Mystery Black. Designed exclusively for the Meisterstuck Legrand Rollerball pen, these refills ensure smooth, consistent ink flow. The rich black color adds elegance and sophistication to your documents. Each pack contains 2 refills, providing long-lasting performance. Perfect for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Feel the luxury with every stroke. Advantages. Experience smooth, consistent writing with every stroke. No skips. High-quality ink ensures bold, clear lines. Always impressive. Exclusively fits Meisterstuckle Grand Rollerball pens. Perfect match. Long-lasting refills reduce frequent replacements. Saves time. Elegant design enhances your writing experience. Feel the luxury.